Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to export Hubspot email as HTML. First, go ahead and log into your Hubspot account. Once inside the dashboard, go to the left panel and click on this icon which is Marketing. Then, go ahead and select on Email from the menu. Here, you will see the list of your emails, so go ahead and choose the one you want to export as HTML. After that, hover your cursor on the email and click on View Email. Now, right-click on your mouse, then select on View Page Source. In here, you will be able to access the HTML of the email. So what you need to do is highlight the HTML, then copy it. After that, you can go to Word or text pad, then just go ahead and paste the HTML in there. Now you have your copy of your email HTML. Just go ahead and save that file so that it will be exported as HTML. And that's just basically it. That's how you export HubSpot email into HTML. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.